It's amazing in what a short time Chongqing developed till today. Yeah. I grew up in Germany, but always something missing. You know, I'm more than 30 years old now, and so I spent the 30 years in Germany, and I wanted to see the other part of me. My mom educated me the Chinese way, and so I know about the culture, but like there's a Chinese saying, 百问不如一见. Like, you have to see it. You can hear it a lot, but you have to see it. So that's why I came here. Yeah. I've been to lots of places. My mother visited me like more than 1 year ago, and we went to these must-see places in Chongqing, like Jiefangbai, Cixiko, Hongyadong, and all these famous places. The people here recommend you, or the fellow teachers I work with, they recommend you have to go there. And that's what we did. And yeah, we loved it. It's like the old town, the city, the differences between the modern and the traditional great city.